You don't need a blender for this one. You can make hummus out of all sorts of pulses, not necessarily chickpeas. You can add red peppers, beetroot, carrots. Really nice variation of the old classic. This one is really delicious, really yummy and comforting. I make a double portion of lentils here, and I would save some for a soup. It's yummy even before you add tahini sauce. Don't forget to stir tahini well. Add some chilies if you like, but definitely some cumin, lemon, garlic. Delicious.